Hi people, this is John Murphy again. I'm doing a short video right here. If you go to your Internet Explorer, the home page, and you got your toolbar here, bookmark, whatever you want to call it, small, and you cannot get it big. This is how you fix it. Go into your settings, right here, settings. Go right into your display. You can display right here. Hit this right here. I go into 150. There you go, it just jumped up. Now, take that down. There it is. Now it's big. Now if you want things like smaller, like your minus, you got your minus right up in here, or you hit your central and hit minus or plus, whichever one you want, and it'll take and do it bigger. But you leave that one how it is and your whole page will come up bigger. Even your front page, everything come up big, and that's how you do it.